Just wanted to talk about heat pump water heaters for a moment. Now, heat pump water heaters are unique in the way that they heat water. They use a mechanical unit that's above here in the black part. That's basically a little compressor in there, about the same capacity as a refrigerator. So it takes a while for it to heat water. Most of the systems we install are also going to have backup heating elements. And what we want to do to optimize performance with these, they are going to take a little bit longer to recover. So just be mindful of when you use your water. And if you've experienced a situation where you've had a lack of water, there's multiple settings on these units where we can go from hybrid to heat pump mode. If it has a hybrid mode, you want to put it in hybrid mode when you're having company over or you want the water to recover a little more quickly. Now remember, electricity, how it is very, very efficient to heat water this way, does take a little bit longer to heat it. So just be mindful of that. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and give us a call. But if you optimize the way you use your water with a heat pump water heater, it will cost far less to operate than any gas model, but it just does take a little bit longer to heat the water up. So thanks a lot. Coming at you again, Larry from Electrify My Home. Have a great day.